The Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga. Sanjaya said, "To Arjuna, who is overcome with compassion, pity and sadness, and his eyes filled with tears, Bhagavan Krishna said as follows." The Supreme Lord said, "O Arjuna, where in this hour of crisis did these qualities like weakness, which are unbecoming of honorable men, come from and take over you? Such qualities will prevent you from reaching higher levels in life and will also ruin your honor and get you a bad reputation. Do not give in to cowardice, which is not manly and does not suit you. Shed this weak-heartedness and get up, O destroyer of enemies." Arjuna said, "O Madhusudana, how can I shoot arrows at Bhishma and Drona, who are worthy of my worship? Instead of living at the cost of the lives of these noble elders, living a life of a beggar would be better. They may be greedy, but still they are my superiors. I will be enjoying wealth and power, but all that will be drenched with their blood. We do not know which would be better for us, conquering them or being conquered by them. Those people whom we should not desire to kill are gathered right before us. With my mind in a state of confusion regarding my duty and the feeling of helplessness because of my weakness, I ask you to tell me what is good for me. I am your disciple, and I have surrendered my soul to you. Please teach me. I am not able to remove the sadness which is drying up my senses. I will not be able to remove it even if I were to gain rulership over the earth and over the gods." Sanjaya said, having said that, Arjuna, the destroyer of enemies, said to Bhagavan Krishna, "I will not fight," and he went silent. "O descendant of Bharata," said Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. At that moment, Bhagavan Krishna, with a smile on his face, said to the grief-stricken Arjuna, who stood between the two armies, the following words: "You speak such high words, but to lament for those who should not be grieved for. Wise people grieve neither for the dead nor for the living. There was never a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings. We will also never be non-existent. Just as the soul which is in the body passes through childhood, youth and old age, it also passes into another body after death. Wise people are not baffled by this fact. O Arjuna, impermanent things like happiness and sadness, heat and cold and summer and winter come and go. They are temporary, so, O descendant of Bharata, learn to endure them. O best of men, Arjuna, he who is not affected by happiness and sadness is steady and is suitable for immortality.